All right, so the last lesson of this unit is something we've touched on. So this is plant hardiness zones. If you've ever seen the back of a plant label or something, it's going to mention something about a hardiness zone, or maybe even you've seen this map before. So plant hardiness zones, they provide information on the climate. So this is really important when you're figuring out what plant to buy, right? So each plant is going to do better in a different climate. So they're defined by the average annual extreme minimum temperature, so how cold it's likely to get in the given region. They also commonly provide you with the idea of the last frost date. So this is really good. Like if you're planting a garden, you want to plant after that last frost date for most of your vegetables so that they're not going to get frozen. So the newest maps rely on that GIS data for precision. Now they can grow significantly more simply by knowing their hardiness zone. So it's going to look like this. So you can see Texas is large enough where we actually are in some different hardiness zones. Okay, we go all the way from 6 to 9. So we have quite the range there. So they're represented by number. Florida uses zones 8A to 11A, and then it just says the different areas of Florida are different. Same with Texas. Plant scientists, they work to develop plants that can tolerate warmer or cooler temperatures. This provides an increased growing range for different plants. So think about the plants you associate with certain regions. Maybe you thought of Florida oranges or Iowa corn. People in those regions grow those plants there because they thrive there. So how scientists change or adapt to different zones. So hybridization is breeding of plants. So they'll breed plants to make a different type of plant variety that can do better in that area. They'll modify the genetics to give it better traits, or they can selective breeding. So they'll give plants that have those qualities they want, they'll breed those to get the same qualities they get. All right, then you have your knowledge check questions. So this is a really good unit on how to identify and classify plants. Again, don't stress out about identifying all the plants. I would focus on getting to know the ones in your area, though. Those can definitely benefit you. Um, Especially, let's start out with maybe figuring out the harmful plants versus the non-harmful plants, and then go from there.